How to add a new page on Canva. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First off, head over to your web browser and then search for canva.com and just make sure to log into your. I'm already logged in, so what I'm going to do next is create a new document or a new design. Click on create. So I'm going to choose a poster or portrait for now. It will give me a blank design here. And I can add stuff here. So what I'm going to do first is give this page a title. So I'm just going to go on top of the page here, and then I'm going to add a design here. I'm going to go to design. So let's just add this graphics for now so that you guys can know this is the first page. You can either click on this top right corner of the page to add page, or if you want to duplicate it, you could do that as well. So all of the content will also be duplicated inside the page. Let me show you guys. The page has been duplicated. Let me just delete this first. I'm going to click on this add page and it will create a blank page here. And if I click on add page again, it will create another one. So this is page 1, this is 2, and then this is 3. So let me add another page here. So if I want a page in between 2 and 3, so what I'm gonna do is click on this plus icon, and it will automatically duplicate the blank page. So I have 2 blank pages in between. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.